Hey, what's up? I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys because we noticed that Google was implementing some stuff that might lose you a lot of money, actually. What we realized was that Google made an update regarding assets. It was a new update. It was a silent update. They never announced it to anyone, not even via email. And it's basically that Google's AI will make new assets for themselves. Normally you create assets yourself, as you can see here. For example, it's like contact, and you can see it here as well. So if you go to your overview, then we go to the assets level under the new layout. But as you can see, under the assets, you have source, and here is advertiser. So that means that we've created source. But if you scroll down, sometimes you have automatically created. That means that Google is creating the assets themselves. As you can see here, it's twice exactly the same asset in just one campaign. As you can see, it created 114 clicks, 80 cents, but it costs 124 in total, maybe 150 euros. So it's not that much, but if you broaden out, it can lose you a lot of money. So I just wanted to shoot the video to show you how you can fix it. So if you go under the assets, you click here on more, you have account level automated assets. You click on it, and then you will see all the assets. As you can see, the dynamic links, legacy. You click on the settings, and here normally everything is on, but what you do is you disable every single one of them. So you do off. Here, for example, it's the links, it creates the callouts. Now they even added new things, which is even crazier for me, is the business name. Their AI will be okay, but it's, for me, it's a bit weird that they would create business names without actually you implementing the business name. So I know some companies have a certain format for their business names with all caps or just certain part caps, and then of course the branding would be wrong. So that's why the business logo as well, it will create just logos, which is, for me, is pretty weird. It's not standard at all. Make sure that you click all of them off so you still have a lot of control. But the thing is, they never actually updated us or informed us about this update, which is crazy. Make sure that if you go to assets, you click on the more button, and then you click on the advanced settings, which brings you here, or in any campaign you can click on them, then go to assets, as you can see right here, account level kind of settings, and you just put them all off. We did it for every single client of ours because it's just weird, because we like to keep control over those type of things. Certainly because some locations, call outs, or promotions are not valid anymore, or just straight up made up, which can bring you in some legal issues. But yeah, make sure that you turn it off, that you don't lose your hard-earned money.